Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking on this video. So today I am putting down my self-adhesive wooden planks. Thought I'd show you guys how I do it, and it's a little cheeky preview into the room before the main room tour. It's like half done, but after this will be half done. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and let's get into it. Can you hear me now? So to start off with, I just need to clean the area. Let me show you. I'm just starting off with that little area today because obviously my bed's here. So I'll hopefully finish this area and then I'll do my bed later on, but I need to clean the area first, so I'm just gonna do that. Okay, so I thought I'd show you the actual, they look like this. I got the washed grey colour, like that, and then at the back it's just got like a sticky thingy, so it's easy to just stick down. I got mine from Amazon and I'll link it down below. It just comes like this and you're literally just supposed to stick it down and it's supposed to stay. So right now, never done this before by the way, never ever done this before, but I've just hoovered the area and I'm just going to measure out where I'm putting it. My actual floor has a lot of problems, which is why I'm not just painting over it or like getting a varnish, because I'd have to replace all of this and that's a lot of work and time and effort. So I'm literally just going to follow the lines on the wood underneath, but I'm going to start off not doing like areas like this because I'd have to cut around it. I'm going to start off doing areas like this and this so I can follow the lines of the planks that are already down rather than cutting around it straight away, and then I'll do the cutting like really last. The last thing I'll do is cut around those areas. So I'm going to start off like here and like follow this line just so I know it's leveled with the room, and it should slide underneath easily because there's like where the carpet used to be, there's a little space between the wooden floor and this bit. I don't know what that's called, but yeah, I'm just going to do that and see what happens. Right, so from here I'm going to be doing voiceovers here and there just to explain what I'm doing. Right now I'm just putting down my first plank and trying to line it up with the actual wooden plank of my flooring, as you can see. And now I'm measuring up the next ones so they all line up and you can't see the lines, so it's like seamless and all the planks, just so it looks real basically and it doesn't look like a sticker. Now for this bit, basically the wooden plank on the floor has like a crack in it, so I need to take out one of the pieces just because it's a bit lumpy and the adhesive won't lay flat. When I put the adhesive on top, it was like I would have dropped through, or anything I put on top like would have dropped through. So I had to move the original plank that I did and move it a bit more back so I could lay it like just halfway over. I can't explain it, but you can see what I'm doing, so it's safe. from here, I'm basically doing the same thing for the whole floor, because this is the easy bit. You just literally have to put it down and try and make it look seamless. Okay, so this bit, I kind of have a similar problem. There's something sticking out of the wood. So I get my pliers and I take them out just so I can lay the adhesive flat. I don't really know what it was, but it was like hammered into the floor. So I had to like twist it, bend it like to try and get it out. And it was really big. But yeah, I got it out and it was able to lay flat. Okay, so now I'm doing around the radiator. I'm just measuring the middle bit and trying to get it level. This bit was actually so hard because it's hard to cut around it. It was hard to get the shape right. I wasn't sure what tools to use. I wasn't sure how to make sure that it will actually like slide in and fit properly and not look weird or bits hanging out. Like it was harder than I expected. At first I was using the spirit level because you can kind of see like it has a ruler on it, so you can like measure it and see if it's actually straight or not. But then once I actually broke the piece off, like cut the piece off, I found out that there was a little gap underneath. Like you see how I could slide it in? That happened as well, so then it was just a lot. So there was a lot of trial and error for this bit, but you just need to take time and be patient with it. I didn't do all of this in like one session or in one night or in one day. Like it took me a couple days, and even when I was doing it on the day, I would go and come back because it just gets a lot. I tried to cut around the pipe as well, but obviously I wasn't sure what shape it would be. I wasn't sure how to cut around it. It was just a lot. This is literally DIY, like trial and error. I found this device. I'm not sure what it's called. I will try and find what it's called. But you basically push it into where you want to cut around, and then it makes the shape of it. So then you just draw around the shape and you cut it like a stencil. But literally I just pushed it in, drew around it, and then it was the right shape. It was bittersweet because I was happy that I found it, but I was annoyed that it took me ages to find it. Yeah, I basically just wasted a lot of time doing nothing, like trying to find something to get the shape right. But we got there in the end and I was able to do it. So yeah, I did that around this pipe and then I did it around the other pipe, and it was all sweet and rosy. future me here. Basically, I stopped recording for a while on this camera, but I still did, I still filmed TikToks, so I'm gonna insert that here because I don't have like updated footage from there, because obviously, as I said, I don't have a tripod, so it was hard to get the angles, but I'm gonna include my TikToks right now. Finally cleared the whole floor, but I need to actually finish my flooring, so I'm gonna do that now. I literally have a tiny bit left, but I'm just gonna quickly do that. I might time lapse it, if not I'll just show you the end result. No, this laughing that my mum is doing is a bit much in the background. Like, she said, "What you know about love? I got what you need. Woke up in the story, never you